into the wind as much as possible.
Let's see what it does.
The fun part is the landings.
Yeah.
Trying to get it down.
I know how that is.
All right, here we go.
There it goes. See it? Straight up. Yeah, probably if you come in fast on the wind.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't balloon up. Fast, fast.
Whoa.
All right, I'm gonna land. I want to push my luck.
It'll be good. Got more skills than I do. Is that you or is that the bird? Okay, let's see. Woo! Ooh, you got it.
That's it for today. Not pushing my luck.
Those are skills, man. You can do another flight.